Hello and welcome to this Python course. First of all, here is my introduction. My name is Hamad. I am an engineer and currently studying machine learning. Before starting your Python journey, just have a look at this chart. So, if you want to get good at Python or any skill acquisition, if you put 1 hour per day, it will take you 2.7 years. If you put 4 hours per day, it will take you 8 months to get good at something. So, make learning Python or programming a habit or a marathon instead of a rushed race. Now, here are the softwares which I'm going to use and you should install. First one is Python, which you can download from the official website. The second one is the Visual Studio Code. The reason I'm using Visual Studio Code, the reason is because the themes and there are AI coding assistants which can help you in learning programming. And it's a popular code editor among data jobs. So if you are going into data analytics, data science, or data engineer, Visual Studio Code is quite popular. And the third one is Miniconda. There is a official bigger version of the Conda, but I'll be using Miniconda. What Conda does is that it helps us create different environments. For example, we have a box for kitchen tools. We have a box for gardening tools. We have a box for, you can say, garage tools. So the box for each tool is different and they serve a different purpose. So in this way, you can make a machine learning environment, a deep learning environment in a simple computer to work separately. In doing so, the Miniconda helps us. It does not mix all the things which we have to use. So now let's install these things. First of all is the Python. All you have to go is go to the official website. Type Python download. Here is the first link on the website python.org downloads. Click on the download button. After clicking that, click to this download button and then here. Download for Windows Python 3.12. After Python finishes, open the setup and install it and make sure to check add to path. As I have already installed it, so I'll be not installing it. Now let's get to the Visual Studio. That is called VS Code. Here is the logo and here is the first link. Open it and download from here. Here is the download has started and it's downloading now. Here is the setup. Click on next, then click to add to path, next and install. In this way, you will install the VS Code. That's software that is Miniconda. Go on Google and type Miniconda 3 or simply Miniconda. Here you'll find the first link that says Miniconda. Open it and you can download the Miniconda by clicking whatever platform you're using, Linux, Mac OS or Windows. And just click here and the download will start. I have already downloaded it. Double click on the setup. Next, I agree. Make sure to check all users and next and install. So after you have installed all the softwares, open the VS Code and click this icon which says extensions. Here are the extensions which you should install. First of all is Python. Then second, you can install Codium or Blackbox because these are the AI assistants. And Jupyter, prettier, it makes code look pretty. And this one is the Jellyfish that gives a killer look to the VS Code. Markdown all-in-one, material, theme icons, and GitHub themes. And you can also install GitHub Copilot if you're a student. That is GitHub Copilot. As you can see, I've installed the Codium. I have also installed the Course tab. You can share a screenshot of your code. I've installed GitHub themes, Jellyfish. As you can see, it has changed the color. I'll like this one. Markdown all-in-one, prettier, and obviously the main one, that is the Python. Start by installing this extension by clicking this icon over here. Here is the extension icon. Okay, so after you have installed the Python, what you're going to do is click on this icon here that says Explore and click to create a new folder, and inside that folder, click on this icon that says New File and name it as My First Python Program. And make sure that its extension is set to py, that is for the Python file. Now click here print, write print, parentheses, inverted commas, your name. My name is Hamad. This is mastering Python. And before running your first program, make sure to come to the bottom and select this Conda which we have installed. We'll see base Conda here. Click here, run the program. Hamad is mastering the Python. It's showing 3 times because I ran it earlier. Now we have installed the softwares and I'll be uploading more videos. It will be a complete Python course. So make sure to like video, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to learn in person with me, just message me on my socials and I'll teach you. And that's it from me. I'll see you in the next one.